So once you've done some research, and to be honest, research can be continuous, but once you've done adequate amount of research, you can then start to form views and opinion. And what that will help you is firstly, your confidence is starting to build because you're getting, your opinions are based on hard facts, and then combining with your clinical experience, that will help you feel that you're much more specific with what you're saying, and at this point you can almost base all your advice and your views not just from your experience now, but also from studies that are potentially involving a much larger population, a much wider population as well. And the whole idea here is that your views and your opinions doesn't have to be fixed. It can also mean that it will direct you to what else you want to study in that specialty, and you can really narrow it down and go even deeper. But the idea too is that you can start to build your network, and even when you're asking questions to the author or to that expert, your questions are the quality of your question is going to be a lot better. And I would say hopefully too that you're confident enough to use some of the media and medium and post some of your views using blogs or even write your own articles. And this is so important in terms of building your own profile. And I would say that is something that it must be done, because what happens is that when you have a view, it's a bit like if you were going into a debate, because firstly, if you agree if you're in agreement, then you think of all the things that would back your argument, and then you can justify why you have formed that view. And also, because of your research, you also know the weaknesses of your argument, and therefore are there things that you might want to do further research to make sure you gain more clarity around the grey area. So if people do ask you, you've done also research on the other side to really give you that credibility. So I think three things: you choose to specialize, you decide what you're going to specialize in, do your research, and then form a view and have an opinion, and have the backing of your research to back up your argument. And hopefully you can build a profile from there.